Hi, my name is Camden and I'm a senior at my local school. I'm excited to be attending LeTourneau University next fall to study mechanical engineering. Before we get started, let me give you a quick tour of my classroom. Here's one half, and there's the other. That's right, I was homeschooled. I've grown up and been homeschooled in the Dallas area my entire life, along with my older brother and 3 younger siblings. I love being a part of such a big family, as you're never short on friends. Being homeschooled has really allowed me more time to explore the world and develop my hobbies. Some of my hobbies include building my own remote-controlled planes, which I usually crash, and metal detecting. My favorite pastime, though, is fishing with my younger brother and my dad, as it's a great way to spend quality time in the outdoors with family. I love almost all sports, but basketball is my personal favorite. And my sister and I have a really great time filming a weekly vlog about our family called Catching Up with the Carrolls. You guys can check us out on YouTube. My dad is from Oklahoma and is a registrar on the Cherokee Indian Rolls, and my mom is Swiss. As a result, I've been able to travel to Europe, across America, and up to Canada and see tons of different cultures and worldviews. My journey to becoming an engineer started when I was blessed to join a Best Robotics team when I was 11. I was able to be mentored by kids who are now engineers themselves. And building robots for the past 7 years has allowed me to be involved in a very hands-on engineering. 3 years ago, I was privileged to become head of robot construction. Since then, I have led the team and been able to mentor other kids who want to become engineers in the future. I really enjoyed designing the robot, building it, and doing the math on why it is that it works. That really allowed me to get a sense of my calling to become an engineer, and showed me that I want to do mechanical engineering over all of the types. Throughout my life, the Lord has allowed me to be involved in several different ministry opportunities. Because of my basketball background, I've been able to assistant coach a boys upwards basketball team for several years. Also, almost every Sunday our family goes out and plays pickup basketball on the local courts with some of the neighborhood kids. This allows us to have devotions out there and introduce them to the gospel. I also joined my youth group leadership team to help plan events and lessons. Not only did this help my leadership skills, but it allowed me to get more involved in the youth group and what it is we were being taught. Now for the real question, what do I want out of college besides a degree? What I want out of college is to make friendships that will last a lifetime and learn how to use my skills for God's glory and purpose. That's one of the main reasons I felt called to LeTourneau, as its mission statement is Christ in every workplace. The Lord impressed this upon me when I was pretty young. As kids, before we were allowed to go into high school, we had to watch The Truth Project. And one episode that really stuck with me was when the instructor was talking about the worldview Christians should have on work. One of the first gifts that God gave Adam was the ability to work in the garden and take care of what he had created. It was not something he had to do, it was something that God let him do. As Christians, it's important to realize that going to college and learning about our degree is not something that we have to do to survive and make money. But it's a blessing from God that lets us learn more about the world He's created and how it works. We are called to be good stewards of the world that God has given us. So what I want out of college besides my degree is a knowledge of how to use it to better steward God's kingdom and fulfill His purpose for my life. Thanks guys for watching, and I'll see you next weekend.